Hi, my name is Jay Hait. I'm an American Israeli attorney with offices located throughout Israel. So a lot of people come in and they ask me, hey, how are debts divided in a divorce in Israel? Well, in Israel, the division of debts in a divorce is often guided by principles of fairness and equity. But here are some key points that you should be considering. And number one, joint debts. If you and your spouse have joint debts, like a joint mortgage or credit card accounts, then those debts will generally be divided between you, both in a way that's considered fair. That usually involves both spouses being responsible for half the individual debts. Individual debts that are solely in one spouse's name are usually still considered part of the overall financial picture during divorce proceedings, and therefore each side is responsible for the other sides, unless the other spouse never knew about them, or if the spouses maintain separate property throughout the marriage. General marital property in Israel, which includes both the assets and the debts that were acquired during the marriage. And when they're divided, the courts consider the debts associated with the assets. For example, if a piece of property has a mortgage on it, property's value will be offset by the remaining mortgage debt when determining the division of the property. Negotiation and agreement, right? In many cases, spouses can negotiate and they have the opportunity to divide the debts and other financial matters between themselves differently. If both parties agree on how to divide their debts, the court will often honor the agreement. You might do that, for example, in order to get a larger monthly payment for support, or you might do that child support, or you might do that if you're going to get a larger portion of one of the assets. And finally, court decision. If the spouses can't come to an agreement on the debt division, the court, either the rabbinic or the family court, will make a decision based on the specific circumstances of that case. The court will consider things like financial situation of each spouse, contributions to the marriage, best interest of children involved, etc. But it's important to consult with an experienced family law attorney in Israel to understand how the law specifically applies to your situation. Family law can be complex and nuanced, and a legal professional can provide guidance tailored to your individual circumstances. Also, the laws and regulations or rulings can change over time, so it's a good idea to seek out and up-to-date information with an attorney who specializes in family law. Again, my name is Jay Hait. I'm a family law attorney with offices located throughout Israel, and my number appears on the screen in front of you.